Ever found yourself wondering, okay, I've got my crypto safely tucked away on my ELLIPAL Titan, but what if I actually want to, use some of it? It's a question that pops into a lot of crypto holders' minds, especially when the market's looking good or you've simply decided it's time to take some profits. The beauty of a hardware wallet like the ELLIPAL Titan is its focus on security, keeping your private keys offline and shielded from the ever-present threats of the digital world. But this robust security naturally leads to the question, does this fortress have an exit strategy? Can you actually sell your cryptocurrency directly through your ELLIPAL device? Let's dive into this. The ELLIPAL Titan itself, in its isolated, air-gapped state, doesn't directly connect to exchanges or facilitate selling in the traditional sense. Think of it as the ultimate vault for your digital assets. It holds them securely, generates and signs transactions, but it doesn't have built-in trading capabilities. However, that's not the end of the story. The ELLIPAL ecosystem includes the ELLIPAL app, which acts as a bridge between your secure hardware wallet and the broader crypto world. While the app doesn't execute trades directly from your Titan, it plays a crucial role in the selling process. Here's the general workflow you'll likely follow if you want to sell crypto that's secured on your ELLIPAL. First, you'll need an account with a cryptocurrency exchange that supports the specific coins you want to sell. Popular options include Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and many others. Make sure you've gone through their verification process and have a funded account if you plan to receive the proceeds directly on the exchange. Next, using the ELLIPAL app, you'll initiate a send transaction from your ELLIPAL wallet to your deposit address on the chosen exchange. This is where the magic of the QR code and the Titan's air-gapped security comes into play. You'll use the app to generate an unsigned transaction, then physically scan this QR code with your ELLIPAL Titan. The Titan, completely offline, will then sign the transaction, and you'll scan the resulting signed QR code back into the app to broadcast it to the network. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the cryptocurrency will arrive in your exchange wallet. From there, you can utilize the exchange's trading platform to sell your crypto for your desired fiat currency, like USD, Euro, NGN, etc., or another cryptocurrency. The process essentially involves using your ELLIPAL for its core strength, secure storage and transaction signing, while leveraging the trading capabilities of a centralized exchange. It's a two-pronged approach that prioritizes security without completely isolating your assets. It's important to note that this process requires you to trust the security of the exchange you're using for the actual selling part. Ensure you've enabled two-factor authentication and follow all best security practices on your exchange account. So, while you can't tap a sell button directly on your ELLIPAL Titan, the combination of the hardware wallet and the companion app provides a secure pathway to move your crypto to an exchange where you can then facilitate a sale. It's a testament to the layered approach often necessary in the world of cryptocurrency security and trading. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.